Dear Princess Twilight, I thought you'd be happy to hear that the girls and I were voted best friends in the yearbook today. After all, if you hadn't forgiven me, I'd still be the arrogant student I was when I left Equestria. You gave me the second chance I didn't deserve, and I'll never forget it. Your friend, Sunset Shimmer.
Group picture. Practice run number 36A, attempt 7. Success! Oh no. Your eyes do not deceive you. I finally invented a selfie-sensing camera. It hovers into position whenever it detects a selfie opportunity.
I prefer to take selfies myself.
Which beach blanket should we use for the photograph? You mean the white one or the white one?
This is toasted oat and linen lamb's wool, eggshell, warm frost, pale nimbus, and... well, that one is white, I suppose.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Don't worry, Rarity, I got it!
No, I got it! I got it!
I got it! I got it!
I don't got it. Ocean monster! Ocean monster! Quincy the sea turtle says the tide's coming in. We should take the picture soon or risk having damp ankles. Oh, he's so thoughtful.
Ugh.
Oh, Twilight, you got the selfie sensor working? Okay, so who's ready to take a best friends picture? Uh-oh, what did I do? Should we do it now, or did you want to swim first? How's the water?
Sunset Shimmer? Asking to be in our best friend's picture? Now I've heard it all.
Am I missing the joke here?
The only joke is whatever this is you're playing on us. Acting all nice like you're our friend. And it's not funny.
Because you aren't nice.
And we ain't friends.
Wait, what?
You got applesauce in your ears? I said we ain't Whoa!
You sure can.
I'm so sorry.
My friends are here to bring me around.
It's like I've been erased.